Hello students, good morning. Welcome to SS Online Classes. Students, we were reading chapter 7 Miss Daisy's task of our English language book on stone. Students, in our last video, our topic was apostrophe s. So students, included this topic, we have read about apostrophe s, which is page number 30. And students, we have also read and solved exercise A, which is page number 31 in our English language book on stone. And we have also read and solved exercise A of the chapter 7 in our Far English Language notebook in our last video. And students, today's our topic is fill in the blanks with the use of apostrophe s. So students, included this topic, we will read about apostrophe s, and after it, we will read and solve exercise B, which is page number 31, and exercise C, which is page number 32 in our English language book constant in our today's class. So all students, please pay partial attention in class and listen to my words clearly, because today we are going to read about apostrophe s, and included this topic, we will read and solve exercise B and exercise C, which is page number 31 and 32 in our English language book constant in our today's class. Okay, so all students, firstly look at this page number 31. Now we are going to read and solve exercise B in our English language book constant. Let's see exercise B. Students, so exercise B is read these sentences and fill in the blanks, full stop. One has been done for you, full stop. Read means पढ़िए, these means in, sentences means वाक्यों, and means और, fill in the blanks it means रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करिए. One has done for you it means एक आपके लिए करके दिया हुआ है. Students, so exercise B is read these sentences and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you it means इन वाक्यों को पढ़िए और रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करिए. एक आपके लिए करके दिया हुआ है. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी फर्स्ट नंबर सेंटेंस. स्टूडेंट्स, so फर्स्ट नंबर सेंटेंस इज Rimi has a pet parrot, full stop. Rimi, it's a girl name. Has, it's a present perfect tense helping verb in singular form, it's in past में. A means एक, pet means पालतू, parrot means तोता. Rimi has a pet parrot, it's mean Rimi के पास एक पालतू तोता है. Okay, so students, here we use this word Rimi with apostrophe s, and then we write Rimi's. Okay, parrot flies around the house all day, full stop. Rimi's parrot, it's mean Rimi का तोता. Okay, student, Rimi, it's mean Rimi, it's a girl name. Okay, Rimi's parrot, it's mean Rimi का तोता. And students, here we use apostrophe s with the word Rimi. Okay, and students, apostrophe s shows belonging. ये जो apostrophe s होता है ना किसी भी word के head में कॉमा के आफ्टर जो s होते हैं ना, जिसे हम apostrophe s बोलते हैं, इट्स सो बिलोंगिंग, ये संबंध को प्रदर्शित करता है. इट्स मीन होता है काकी के. ओके, रिमीज पैरेट, इट्स मीन रिमी का तोता. फ्लाइज मीन्स उड़ता है. अराउंड मीन्स चारों ओर. दी हाउस मीन्स घर. ऑल डे मीन्स पूरा दिन या सारा दिन या दिन भर. ओके, रिमीज पैरेट फ्लाइज अराउंड द हाउस ऑल डे, इट्स मीन कि रिमी का तोता दिन भर घर के चारों ओर उड़ता रहता है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी दिस पिक्चर. इट्स अ रिमीज पैरेट. ओके, रिमीज पैट पैरेट. ओके, तो ये रिमी का पैट पैरेट है, उसका रिमी का पालतू तोता है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. स्टूडेंट्स, सेकंड नंबर सेंटेंस इज ग्रैंडपा इज रीडिंग अ बुक, फुल स्टॉप. ग्रैंडपा, इट्स मीन दादाजी. इट मीन्स है रीडिंग मीन्स पढ़ रहे हैं. आ मीन्स एक, बुक मीन्स किताब. ग्रैंडपा इज रीडिंग अ बुक, इट्स मीन दादाजी किताब पढ़ रहे. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन यूज apostrophe s with this word grandpa. Okay, and then our word become grandpas. Okay, so students, write down here grandpas. Okay, grandpa के after apostrophe s add करिए, and then your sentence become grandpa's book is very thick. Okay, grandpa's, it's mean दादाजी की. book means किताब, it means है, very means बहुत, thick means मोटी. grandpa's book is very thick, it's mean दादाजी की किताब बहुत मोटी है. Okay, so student, write down here grandpa's, GRANDPA apostrophe s, it's mean दादाजी की. Okay, apostrophe s shows belonging. apostrophe s belonging को शो कर रहा है. ओके, संबंध को प्रदर्शित कर रहा है. grandpa's book है, इट्स मीन दादाजी की किताब. क्लियर? लेट्स सी थर्ड नंबर सेंटेंस. स्टूडेंट्स, और थर्ड नंबर सेंटेंस इज माई ब्रदर इज गोइंग टू स्कूल, फुल स्टॉप. माई ब्रदर, इट्स मीन मेरा भाई. इट मीन्स है गोइंग मीन जा रहा है. टू स्कूल मीन्स विद्यालय. ओके, माई ब्रदर इज गोइंग टू स्कूल, इट्स मीन मेरा भाई विद्यालय जा रहा है या मेरा भाई स्कूल जा रहा है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन use apostrophe s with this word brother. Okay, and so student, write down here brothers in this blank, BROTHER apostrophe s. Okay, brothers, it's mean भाई का. Okay, so students, then our sentence become my brother's school is far away, full stop. my brother's school, it's mean मेरे भाई का स्कूल. it means है far away means बहुत दूर. Okay, my brother's school is far away, it's mean मेरे भाई का स्कूल बहुत दूर है. क्लियर? far away means होते हैं बहुत दूर. Okay, so student, let's see 4 number sentence. Students, so 4 number sentence is we are waiting for mother at the station, full stop. we means हम, are means है, are it's a present continuous tense helping verb in proper form. ओके, इट्स मीन रही है. वेटिंग, इट्स मीन इंतजार कर रहे हैं. फॉर मीन्स के लिए. मदर मीन्स माँ. एट द स्टेशन, इट्स मीन इट्स स्टेशन पर. ओके, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर मदर एट द स्टेशन, इट्स मीन हम स्टेशन पर माँ के लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी यूज apostrophe s with this word mother. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, write down here mothers, MOTHER apostrophe s, इट्स मीन मदर की. ओके, ट्रेन, इट्स मीन ट्रेन या रेलगाड़ी. ओके, मदर्स ट्रेन इट्स मीन माँ की रेलगाड़ी या माँ की ट्रेन. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स राइट डाउन योर मदर apostrophe s इट्स मीन मदर्स इन दिस 4 number blank एंड देन योर सेंटेंस बिकम मदर्स ट्रेन इज़ वेरी लेट फुल स्टॉप. इट्स मीन माँ की ट्रेन बहुत देर है, बहुत देर से है, या माँ की रेलगाड़ी बहुत देर से है. ओके, so student let's see fifth number sentence. So fifth number sentence is look at the clown exclamation mark. Okay, it's your exclamatory sentence. एक exclamatory sentence है. Okay, विस्मयादिबोधक वाक्य. Look at the clown. Look at means देखो. Okay, clown, the clown it's mean joker. Look at the clown it's mean कि जोकर को देखो. Okay, students we can use apostrophe with this word clown. Okay, so student write down here clown, CLOWN. Okay, apostrophe s, CLOWN apostrophe s it's mean clowns. Okay, it means joker की. Okay, clown's nose है it's mean joker की नाक. Okay, and student then our sentence become the clown's nose is red. It's mean कि जोकर की नाक लाल है. Okay, so we can see in this picture that clown's nose is red. Okay, जोकर की nose red है ना, जोकर की नाक लाल है ना. So let's see next sentence. Our 6 number sentence is the monkey is wearing a cap. Full stop. The monkey means बंदा. It means है. Wearing means पहनना है. Okay, ये पहन रहा है. means है cap is टोपी. The monkey is wearing a cap. It's mean बंदर एक टोपी पहन रहा है. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन यूज apostrophe with this word monkey. Okay, and student write down here in this 6 number blank monkeys, MONKEY apostrophe it's mean monkey की. ओके, कैप मीन्स टोपी. monkeys cap it's mean बंदर की टोपी. ओके, स्टूडेंट apostrophe shows belonging, ये संबंध को प्रदर्शित करता है. monkeys cap it's mean बंदर की टोपी. ओके, the monkey's cap is very big full stop it's mean बंदर की टोपी बहुत बड़ी है. ओके, student let's see 7 number sentence which is last sentence of this exercise B. So look clearly students, so 7 number sentence is Tina has a cat full stop. Tina, okay, it's a girl name. Has it's a present perfect tense helping verb singular form. It's mean past में. means ये cat means बिल्ली. Tina has a cat it's mean Tina के पास एक बिल्ली है. Okay, so student we can use apostrophe s with this word Tina. Okay, so student write down here Tina's. Okay, TINA apostrophe s it's mean Tina's, it's mean Tina की. Okay, cat means बिल्ली. Understand, then our sentence become Tina's cat sleeps most of the day. Full stop. Tina's cat it's mean Tina की बिल्ली. Okay, sleep means सोती है. sleep से ना it's mean सोती है. most of it's mean कि ज़्यादातर या लगभग. Okay, the day means दिन. Okay, Tina's cat sleeps most of the day it's mean कि टीना की बिल्ली दिन में ज़्यादातर सोती है. Clear? So students, we have read and solved this exercise B, and in this exercise B your words with apostrophe s are grandpa's, GRANDPA apostrophe s it's mean दादाजी की. ओके, ग्रैंडपास बुक है it's mean दादाजी की किताब. our next word with apostrophe s is brothers. Okay, BROTHER apostrophe s. Okay, brothers. School it's mean भाई का स्कूल. our next third number word our 4 number word with apostrophe s is mother's train it's mean माँ की ट्रेन. Okay, and next word is clown's nose it's mean जोकर की नाक. and next word is monkey's cap it's mean बंदर की टोपी. Okay, and our last word with apostrophe s is Tina's cat it's mean टीना की बिल्ली. Clear? So student, we have read and solved this exercise B, and I hope you must have understood this exercise B. You have no problem in any sentence of this exercise B. Okay, so student, now we are going to read and solve exercise C. So all student, turn your page forward and look at this page number 32. Let's see exercise C. Student, your exercise C is fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. Fill in the blanks it mean रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करिए with the words it mean शब्दों से. Given in the brackets it mean कोष्ठक में दिए हुए. Your exercise is fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets it mean कोष्ठक में दिए हुए शब्दों से रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करिए. Student, in this exercise our work is that हमारा वर्क है कि हमें ब्रैकेट में जो वर्ड्स दिए ना, कोष्ठक में जो शब्द दिए ना, हमें इन वर्ड्स में apostrophe s का यूज़ करके इन ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है, इन रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करनी है. क्लियर? So student, let's see first number sentence. Student, so first number sentence is my blank voice is very sweet full stop mother. Okay, so students, our given word is mother. Mother means ma. Okay, so students, we can write down here mothers. Okay, we can use apostrophe s with this word mother, and then we can write down here in this first number blank mothers, MOTHERS mothers it's mean माँ की. Okay, and then our sentence become my mother's voice is very sweet. Okay, my it's mean मेरी mother's voice it's mean माँ की आवाज़. it means very means बहुत, sweet means मधुर या प्यारी. Okay, my mother's voice is very sweet it's mean मेरी माँ की आवाज़ बहुत प्यारी है या मेरी माँ की आवाज़ बहुत मधुर है. Clear? So student, write down here mothers, MOTHER apostrophe s it's mean mothers it's mean माँ की. Okay, mother's voice it's mean माँ की आवाज़. Clear? Let's see second number sentence. Students, so second number sentence is blank dress is beautiful full stop, and students, our given word is Sarah. Okay, it's a girl name, and student, we can use apostrophe s with this word Sarah, and so student, write down here Sarah's in the second number blank SARA apostrophe s. Sarah apostrophe s, it's mean ki Sara's. Okay, it means Sara ki. Okay, and student then our sentence becomes Sara's dress is beautiful. It's mean सारा की ड्रेस सुंदर है. ड्रेस मीन्स पोशाक होता है, तो सारा's ड्रेस इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. इट्स मीन कि सारा की ड्रेस सुंदर है या सारा की पोशाक सुंदर है. क्लियर? Student, let's see third number sentence. So third number sentence is the blank tail is very bushy. Full stop cat. And students, in this third number sentence, our given word is cat. Okay. So students, we can use apostrophe s with this word cat. And so students, write down here cat. C-A-T apostrophe s. Cats. It's mean billi ki. Okay. And students, then our sentence become the cat's tail is very bushy. Full stop. Okay. The cat's tail it's mean billi की पूंछ. Okay. Tail means होता है पूंछ. It means है. Very means बहुत. Bushy it's mean होता है घनी या झाड़ीदार. Okay. So students, our sentence become the cat's tail is very bushy. It's mean कि बिल्ली की पूंछ बहुत झाड़ीदार है या बिल्ली की पूंछ बहुत घनी है. Clear? Students, let's see 4 number sentence. It's in your 4 number sentence is we can hear the blank long whistle full stop train. Okay. So students, our given word is train for this 4 number sentence, and students we can use apostrophe s with this word train. And student, write down here trains in this 4 number blank TRAIN apostrophe s. It's mean trains. It's mean train ki. Okay. And students, then our sentence become we can hear the trains long whistle. It's mean we means हम can means सकते हैं, hear means सुन. The trains means train की. Okay. Long means लंबी, whistle means सीटी. Okay. We can hear the trains long whistle. It's mean कि हम ट्रेन की लंबी सीटी सुन सकते हैं. Here the mean of this sentence that हम ट्रेन की सीटी देर तक सुन सकते हैं. Okay. So students, write down here trains. Okay. Trains with long whistle. It's mean ट्रेन की लंबी सीटी. Okay. Students, let's see 5 number sentence. Students, so 5 number sentence is blank car is very old. Our given word is grandpa. Okay. So students, we can use apostrophe s with this given word grandpa. Okay. So student, write down here grandpas in this 5th number blank. GRANDPA apostrophe s. Grandpas it's mean दादाजी की. Okay. So student, write down here grandpas, and then our sentence become grandpa's car is very old. Okay. Grandpa's car it's mean दादाजी की car. It means है, very means बहुत, old means पुरानी. Okay. Old it's the opposite word of new. New means नया, old means पुराना. Okay. Grandpa's car is very old. It's mean दादाजी की कार बहुत पुरानी है. Clear? Student, let's see 6 number sentence. Students, or 6 number sentence is the blank words are white. Full stop and a given word is room. Okay. So student, we can use apostrophe s with this given word room. So student, write down here rooms in this 6 number blank. ROOM apostrophe s. Okay. Rooms it's mean कमरे की. Okay. And student, our sentence become the rooms walls are white. It mean कि the rooms it's mean कमरे की. Okay. Wall means दीवारें. Okay. R means है, white means सफ़ेद. The rooms walls are white. It's mean कमरे की दीवारें सफ़ेद है. Clear? Student, let's see 7 number sentence. Students, so 7 number sentence is today is my blank birthday full stop brother. Okay. So students, our given word is brother. Okay. So students, we can use apostrophe s with this given word brother, and then we can write down here brothers, BROTHER apostrophe s in this 7 number blank. Brothers it's mean भाई का. Okay. Today is my brother's birthday. It's mean कि today means आज. Okay. It means है, my means मेरे. Brother's birthday it's mean भाई का जन्मदिन. Today is my brother's birthday. It's mean आज मेरे भाई का जन्मदिन है. Clear? Let's see 8 number sentence. Students, 8 number sentence is this is blank guitar. Full stop. And students, the given word is Salini. Okay. So students, we can use apostrophe s with this given word Salini. And so student, write down here Salini's, SHALINI apostrophe s. Salini's it's means Salini ka. Okay. And student, then our sentence become this is Salini's guitar. It's mean this means yeah, it means है. Salini's means Salini ka, guitar means guitar. This is Salini's guitar. It's mean yeah, Salini ka guitar है. Clear? Student, let's see 9 number sentence. Your 9 number sentence is blank eyes are green full stop, and given word is Pankaj. So student, we can use apostrophe s with this given word Pankaj, and then write down here students Pankaj. Okay. PANKAJ apostrophe s. Pankaj it's mean Pankaj ki. Okay. So students, our sentence become Pankaj eyes are green. Okay. Pankaj eyes it mean Pankaj ki आँखें. Okay. Eyes means आँखें. R means है, green means हरी. Pankaj's eyes are green. It's mean Pankaj की आँखें हरी हैं. Clear? So let's see 10 number sentence, which is last sentence of this exercise. So look clearly. Students, your 10 number sentence is blank. Pencil box is brown full stop, and given word is Jan. Okay. So student, we can use apostrophe s with this given word Jan, and so student, write down here Jans. Okay. GANE apostrophe s. Jans it means Jan ki. Okay. So students, write our sentence become Jan's pencil box is brown. Jan's pencil box it means Jan ka pencil box. Okay. It means है, brown means भूरा. Jan's pencil box is brown. It means Jan का pencil box, Jan's का pencil का डिब्बा भूरा है. Clear? So students, we have read and solved this exercise, and in this exercise your words with apostrophe s are mothers. Okay. Mothers wise it's mean माँ की आवाज़. Second, Sarah's dress it's mean सारा की ड्रेस या सारा की पोशाक. Third, cat's tail it's mean बिल्ली की पूंछ. Next, train's long whistle it's mean कि ट्रेन की लंबी आवाज़. Okay. ट्रेन की लंबी सीटी, विस्टर इट्स मीन सीटी, ओके। एंड नेक्स्ट ग्रैंड पास कार, इट्स मीन दादाजी की कार। नेक्स्ट रूम्स वॉल्स, इट मीन कमरे की दिवाली। नेक्स्ट ब्रदर्स बर्थडे, इट्स मीन भाई का बर्थडे। नेक्स्ट सालनीज गिटार, इट्स मीन सालनी का गिटार। नेक्स्ट पंकज साई, इट्स मीन पंकज की आंखें। एंड लास्ट जैंस पेंसिल बॉक्स, इट्स मीन जैंस की पेंसिल का डिब्बा। क्लियर? So student, we have read and solved this exercise C, and I hope you must have understood this exercise C. You have no problem in any sentence of this exercise C. Okay, so student, let's see. We add as to nouns to so belonging. Okay, we mean some add means जोड़ते हैं, as apostrophe s, it mean apostrophe s. Okay, to nouns means संज्ञाओं में, to so means प्रदर्शित करने के, belonging means संबंध. We add apostrophe s to nouns to so belonging. It's mean कि हम संज्ञाओं में apostrophe s संबंध को प्रदर्शित करने के लिए जोड़ते हैं. ओके, किसी भी नाउन में, किसी भी वर्ड में अगर apostrophe s है, एड है, इस मीन कि apostrophe s लगा है ना किसी भी वर्ड के हेड में, कॉमा के आफ्टर ऐसे, इट्स मीन apostrophe s ऐड है, तो स्टूडेंट्स इट सोज बिलोंगिंग, ये संबंध को प्रदर्शित करता है. apostrophe s मीन्स होते हैं काकी के. ओके, जैसे राम्स बुक, इट्स मीन राम की किताब. ओके, मोहन्स चॉकलेट, इट्स मीन मोहन की चॉकलेट. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव रीड अबाउट apostrophe s and I hope you must have understood this topic apostrophe s. Clear? So students, today's class work is that complete exercise B, which is page number 31, and complete exercise C, which is page number 32 of the chapter 7 in your English language book on stone with your best handwriting. It's a today's class work. And students, today's homework is that learn exercise B and C, which is page number 31 and 32 of this chapter 7 from your English language book on stone. It's a today's homework, and I hope you have no problem for learning work because I've explained both exercise B and exercise C. Okay, so all students, firstly complete your classwork. Complete exercise B, which is page number 31, and exercise C, which is page number 32 of this chapter 7 in your English language book on stone with your best handwriting, and send me your work here. Thank you.